Hello everyone and welcome to the Mathematiker channel. In this video we're going to see how to prove Gauss's theorem. This theorem of arithmetic is also known as Gauss's lemma, and it is very useful to the resolution of the Diophentian equation. Let's suppose that we have three natural numbers different from 0, a, b and c such that a and b are coprime and that a divides the product bc. Then, according to this theorem, a divides c. Let's now see the proof. In one of the videos that have been previously published in this channel we've seen a proof of Bézout's theorem, and in order to prove this theorem, we're going to use the result of Bézout's theorem. So, according to Bézout's theorem, if a and b are coprime, then there are two integer numbers, u and v such that a multiplied by u plus b multiplied by v is equal to 1. By multiplying this equality by c, we would have a multiplied by u multiplied by c plus b multiplied by v multiplied by c equals c. And as the theorem announces that a divides bc, we deduce that a divides b multiplied by v multiplied by c. But we also know that a divides a multiplied by u multiplied by c. So a divides the sum a multiplied by u multiplied by c plus b multiplied by v multiplied by c. And because this sum is equal to c, we conclude that a divides c. And this ends the proof. Thanks for watching the video. If it was helpful understanding the theorem, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button for future publications.